Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate or to activate the beeping sound and the alarm on your Armitron Pro Sport digital watch. As you can see, this is going to be the model with the 4 buttons, so this tutorial is going to work for most Armitron Pro Sport digital watches out there. So as you can see, we have here a small bell that indicates that the hourly beep is on. So every full hour the watch is going to beep at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock and so on for 24 times a day. Then here on the right side we have this sign, so this indicates that the alarm is on. In order to activate or to deactivate them, I'm going to press the mode button. I'm going to arrive at the alarm settings, and here we are going to press the start stop button on the top right corner. I'm going to press it once. Both features have now been deactivated. You might have it only with the alarm on, only with the beeping sound on, or with both of them on, as you can see right here, deactivated. So you can toggle between all the different options. Once nothing else is being shown on the digital display, that means that they are both deactivated. I'm going to press the mode button. I'm going to arrive at the stopwatch, T2, and now T1, so my home screen, and as you can see, both options have been deactivated. So guys, this was the quick tutorial. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, how to set the time and date, how to use the chrono function and the alarm, also the 12/24 hour display, I have a full guide, link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. I am pretty sure you are going to enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow. We post a lot of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, so I'm pretty sure you are going to love it here. And if you want to buy a vintage watch, check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Subscribe, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.